Very first thing you should always do when troubleshooting a no start or a no spark condition is test the battery voltage with a multimeter. Always make sure you have the red lead to the positive post and the black lead to the negative post. Your reading should always be 11.5 volts or above. Always on a 12-volt system. Yes. To test for a no spark, you need to remove the spark plug. You can use a simple spark plug socket kit. And break it loose. Reinsert the spark plug into the spark plug wire. What you want is you want to touch the tip of the spark plug to a good ground on the engine.